Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You ever have an item that you bring home and it's restricted? Oh no, what do I do with it? Okay, I've bought an item, I missed it, it's restricted. What do I do with it now? Well, I've got a list of 5 things that you can do when you find out that you have a restricted item or you just simply can't find it on Amazon. You've purchased it already, oh no, what do I do? First thing you want to try to do is ungate it, which means get approved in the category to sell it, okay? You usually have different ways. Some things will ungate right away. You just request approval and boom, you're ungated almost immediately on quite a few items. You'd be surprised. Another thing is if you don't get approved right away, sometimes they ask for a letter from the place you purchased it from or a letter from the actual manufacturer. So you can try to provide those 2 items and then also get ungated in those categories. And usually it's a category like a name brand like Barbie or Lego or something like that. The second thing you want to do is you can create your own listing. Let's say you bring it home and maybe it's not restricted, but it's not even on the catalog. So you can take the picture, put in all the info, get your own UPC code, which you do have to provide, and then you can create your own listing. Make sure you follow all the specifications when it comes to doing the pictures and all that. And I'll do another video on that kind of explains how to create your own listing. The other option is sell it on other platforms. If it's restricted on Amazon, you can sell it on other platforms. And I'm going to do another video that's going to list out the different types of platforms you can sell it on, but you know there's many other platforms other than Amazon to resell an item. The other option is, let's say you bring it home and it's considered hazmat or a slow moving ASIN. You can sell it merchant fulfilled. Stick it on your shelf and then when it sells, you ship it to the customer. That's always an option for hazmat or merchant fulfilled or slow moving ASIN options is to sell it merchant fulfilled. And last, and sometimes the most frustrating, go ahead and return it. If you've just bought it, go ahead and take it back to the store and return it because that's still money that you can get back and oops, you'll pay better attention next time you buy it so that you don't end up with a restricted item. I hope this has been helpful and this is what to do when you get home and find out you have a restricted item. How can I still sell it? Remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.